Hey, Franny. Big Steve, shut it! Damn dog. Keeps barking in the other room. Anyways, been a while, huh? Actually, gonna be honest, I don't even know really how long it's been. Not sleeping well. And, well, you know, they have a prescription for that. So, I'm losing track of, I swear to God, Steve! Crap. Where was I? Oh, yeah. You like this? Found it at the high school on a scavenging trip. Pretty much armored up now. Between this and my helmet, I'm a bird-killing machine. Yeah, I found a bunch of them roosting in the attic the other day. How they got in, I don't even know, but went in with this sharp knife, Mars skillet. I got every last one. Not really much going on in the world. Yeah, you know, your squatters still hold up. Either the older woman goes out or Romeo goes out, but the gal, you know, she pretty much just stays holed up there. That is, she freaks me out, Franny. I swear to God, I saw her staring at me from across the lake just a while back. I mean, sure, she probably defected from that gang from the high school, but anyone who can survive or even associate with that group, well, yeah, she freaks me out. And then there was today. Or maybe it was yesterday. Time is slipping. Yeah. You know, I always say this. Whatever. Sometime recently, she. No. No. No.